Trust me, messy artboards won't make you happy. Your artboards are the skeleton of your design. A clean, well-organized setup doesn't just look nice. It makes you a more focused and efficient creator. Sure, Illustrator gives you some built-in tools like Rearrange All Artboards. But let's be honest, sometimes that's just not enough. That's why I built 5 extra power scripts to help you manage artboards with more control, more flexibility, and way less clicking around. In this video, I'll show you how to add and amend current artboard, renumber, rename, add page numbers and label your artboards just in a few clicks. If you find this helpful, smash like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. The Artboard Paper Manager script helps you add and modify artboards with ease. You can quickly launch the script using the script runner introduced in the previous module. Key features include: add a new artboard with the same size as the current one. Add multiple artboards at your desired positions relative to the current artboard. Add artboards using preset sizes. Modify existing artboards. Adjust artboard spacing. If your designs involve screen sizes or digital layouts. I've also created a premium version of the Artboard Manager for both paper and screen modes. You can check it out in my Etsy store, and don't forget to use the promo code in the description for a discount. How to resolve artboard numbers that are out of order. Easy. Just launch the ArtboardRenumber script. You can choose how you want to label your artboards using any name you prefer. You may need to manually adjust the artboard positions to ensure they are in order. Now, the numbers are neatly arranged. Changed your mind? Don't worry, it only takes a few clicks to make changes. You also have the option to place the number at the beginning of the label. You can easily rename your artboards if you already have a list. Just launch the ArtboardReNameEasyV script, paste in your list, and you're done. Found the scripts useful? Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell as it really helps support the channel and keeps you updated on new videos. To add continuous page numbers, first manually place the initial page number on the artboard. Then, select the newly created text and launch the ArtboardPageNumber script. The script will generate incremental page numbers using the same text format. Lastly, to display artboard names, run the ArtboardLabel script. You can choose to place the labels inside or outside the artboards, align them to the top or bottom, and have the option to display the artboard dimensions. If you're tired of searching for the right font one by one, You'll definitely want to turn on notifications for the next video. I'm going to show you how to display, compare, and pair fonts instantly with just a few clicks.